man a spot.
Every man grab a girl.
And every girl grab a man.
Man to man, girl to girl, that's wrong.
Condemn.
Always.
Well, going up on this verse, so the video is going to be on dancehall artist Spice, and she's going at it with her baby father Nicholas, calling him a cloud chasing donor after he wanted to speak with her son Nicholas, and she was telling him that he's not there, and it went left from there. So this is what Spice had to say on her Instagram about Nicholas, the baby father.
My kids father come like one perplex, the man come like one something lie down on my back. Me no know what kind of old house this me have a travel on my shoulder years, span up for years. When something good for happen, when you do nothing for the kids, them me not hear from you, me one and God. Me pinning them there Atlanta, how much more now and quarantine, me not hear ya. Hey, you know how much food, hey, you know how much things and food and things. Want this, them one, me no see a post by Instagram and I say, boy, me pin them lock up at Atlanta, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, I'm going to you're there, take the phone from him. Call him, man, and tell him, say, Nicholas, not there, yeah. Man. And some could have terrible stuff also. If you come out from my back now, allow me, man. Allow me now, no, man. Allow me now, man. I can talk all kind of things about you, but I just try to show you. So enough time you get up on the internet and you want me to talk all kind of things and you just provoke my spirit, provoke me go, because you want me to talk all kind of things and you have the worst things to say. Nicholas not there, yeah. Him not there, yeah. Me not hide him now when me not have no phone or take from him. Nicholas not there, yeah. And one time you come look for them. But you called the picnic last night and you claim say the picnic text like I know him and me I take with phone from the picnic and me I text to the picnic. Your picnic not there, yeah. Nicholas not there, yeah. You know text me as a big man, text me as the mother. As a grace, what happened to Nicholas, this happened or whatever. When you go on Instagram can post because that's your energy, you love hype, you love clout. And you claim say you want to be a big man now. Text me as the mother find out what's going on. Now run up on Instagram because you always want to tear me down. You want people to have bad things to say about me. You don't have nothing good to say about me. But yet still I'm me one Jesus and God. I take care of your two pitney them. Love me. Same thing when always I say. Me I add my son from him or whatever. My son have a phone. He have my son number. Few months ago, the man text me and say, listen, we need to have done all of this foolishness. I want to see my kids them ask them cough at corona come and him don't know if him get dead. Remember me not really like him, I know my favorite cup of tea. I remember me as a single mother, I do everything for my kids by myself. I never put him on child support. I care what people I tell me about. I'm wicked and I put him on child support. I don't need to put him on child support because God blessed me to take care of my kids them and I count my blessings. So I not put nobody on child support. If you feel like you don't want to support your child, your a problem. I have to go and grateful and to give God thanks so me can support them. Same thing when always I say. I add my son from him or whatever. My son have a phone. I have my son number. Few months ago, the man text me and say, listen, we need to have done all of this foolishness. I want to see my kids them ask them cough at corona come and him don't know if him get dead. Remember me not really like him, I know my favorite cup of tea. I remember me as a single mother, I do everything for my kids by myself. I never put him on child support. I care what people I tell me about. I'm wicked and I put him on child support. I don't need to put him on child support because God blessed me to take care of my kids them and I count my blessings. So I not put nobody on child support. If you feel like you don't want to support your child, your a problem. I have to go and grateful and to give God thanks so me can support them. You gone on Instagram and make posts and you don't know about nothing. You have me on WhatsApp now. You have me on WhatsApp now. Me I try be a, you know nothing no good about me that mouth. You know nothing no good about me mouth. You know how me stay. But me I try You not text me as the mother and ask what I want. Cause remember when September morning come, you not text me, you not call me. Remember when Christmas come and present for go on the tree, your name no under there, your name no there. You not call and you not post nothing. Say you not buy nothing. September morning come when you hold up title school fee how much $1 million. You not call, you not post, you not go for Instagram and say nothing. You do like you not know. When uniform to buy, you do like you don't know. When socks to buy, you do like you don't know. When shoes to buy, you do like you say you don't know, you not hear. When September morning come, you not hear from you. When book to buy, you not hear from you. You not put your on a child support. You have Nicholas number, you know Nicholas have a phone. You call Nicholas, you can't get Nicholas. Since as I say you want to be a big man, you not text me as the mother and say what go on with Nicholas, or Nicholas a text me and it's strange because you claim say him a text you and it looks strange like me have him phone. And me no want him no want talk. What the fuck? We always attack foolishness. You always attack foolishness. You a text him and it no look like a him a text. And it look like somebody a text and a delete. And you always attack foolishness. You get up and post for your Instagram and come talk about mother no want some drunk but I'm no fool because them no want Nicholas talk to sister. You's a wicked dirty man, you's a wicked man, you have to stop it. Stop it, man. You say you want stop it, so stop it. What with the them set you upon me? You come like a big all out.